Welcome to ProX Live Performance Gear. We are at InfoComm 2026 and we have a great product over here. So Sergio is one of the owners of Santosom. He came all the way from Portugal to be with us and he's showing the great product, which is one of the SIS cases that we have. So Sergio, welcome to America, welcome to Las Vegas, and thank you to be with us. Tell us more about this product.
Thank you, Gabby. It's always a pleasure to be here to help you to demonstrate our product. So this is an SIS AW3. SIS means Santosom Integrated Solution. AW3 means Audio Wireless Console. So this is made for, we have more than 1,500 different products like this one. So it allows us to work with a lot of different microphones, Shure, Sennheiser, a lot of references, a lot belt packs, microphones, batteries, everything will be packaged here. So we leave the 3 units, 4 units for your equipment. So the receivers, the chargers, the combiners, everything could be here. We have a light here, just touchable and dimmable, and we do it in the dual tone, black and gray. So if you see everything is gray, you have a problem. Someone stole your microphone. So right now, when you see the black, if your console is good, no, you don't forget nothing there. So this is the front. We have the back side. Sorry, thank you. The same thing. Light always are welcomed in the backstage. So we have a one half unit here. Just antenna with the same dual tone foam and 2 UA 74 fits in 1 unit rack draw. So power in, power out, you can link more than 5 cases, more than 5 systems, and the same for the audio. The cascade in and out will allow you to connect all the cases in the same system. So we have a brush here to cable came through, and a door with a dust filter. You can wash, and everything pre-wired here, and our bag to hold the cables and all accessories. So everything you need will be here, and this is our AW3 system. So at the end, everything is in a top sliding door. Very, very.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Gabby.
Do you have this in the different rack
Yeah,
spaces
yeah.
as well?
That's why we have it. That's why we have 1,500 different solutions. So from 4 units until 10 units in the AW3. So we can run also in AW5 and until 16 units. Okay.
Very nice, very nice. And this case also, and this case is a full solution. It has everything. It's pre-wired. It's ready to use. All you need to do is just to put your wireless racks, your wireless equipment, which they don't provide, but everything is ready to use. Everything is pre-wired for the customers, for the production companies. They have the case is very, very well built. You could stack them on top of each other. You could latch them on top of each other as well, so the case doesn't move around. They do have a caster board as well with the wheels, skateboards, that's what they call it themselves, and label dishes, so you could label it every time that it goes to the shows. It's a great solution for every production out there. To learn more about this product, please check our website, proxdirect.com.